Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get multicolored subtitles in CapCut. Now the first thing you have to do is type in your subtitles that you want to have on your video. It is a very simple process. I've seen people do it, like on a way too time-consuming basis, but this one is the most effective way. So you type what you want to set in your video, you adjust it on the correct height and the correct size, and you make sure that you align it perfectly in the center so everyone can see it. And then the most important thing that you need to do, just select the word that you want to have in a different color. Only select the specific word that you want to highlight in another color. Then just go to Style and select the color, and now you have the one specific word that you want to highlight in a different color. A very simple process. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to have a like and subscribe to the channel for more content on CapCut and tech videos.